Congratulations on your purchase of a Genzon water purifier. You have now taken the first step in optimizing your health and that of your family and friends. It is important to have your system set up correctly and the filters and stones rinsed thoroughly to remove the dust and the initial strong taste. Step 1. Unpack your Genzon purifier and recycle the packaging. Step 2. Take the mineral and silver stones from their packaging and put them in a large bowl or bucket and rinse them with fresh clean water. Then tip this water onto the garden to make use of the minerals. Refill the bucket with fresh water and soak the stones at least overnight to remove the mineral dust and improve the taste. Try to change the water 2 or 3 times if possible. Step 3. In another container, place the multi-layer filter and cover it with clean cold water. This will bring all the air bubbles to the surface and make sure the water is running out of the bottom. We also recommend that this filter can be placed in the bucket with the stones for thorough rinsing. It is a good idea to sit the filter on the top of the stones and ensure that the top of the filter is under the level of the water. Step 4. Rinse all other system parts in warm water with a clean cloth and dry. Please do not use any detergents. The ceramic filter can be wiped over with a damp, soft cloth under the kitchen tap. Step 5. Putting the system together. We recommend you start from the bottom and work up. Put the stand on a flat surface. Fit the tap to the lower tank. Separate the tap, making sure that you have the washer in 2 parts. The smaller washer stays on the outside, while the larger washer stays on the inside of the tank with the magnetic section. Place the magnetic section in the bottom tank and screw the tap into this through the hole at the bottom of the tank. This should be just touch tight, as the washers are silicone. If they are over tightened, the water will leak out. Step 6. Place the pre-soaked stones into the lower tank. Step 7. Place the water tank cover, dividing plate, on the lower tank. Step 8. Screw the multi-stage filter into the plastic plate. The O-ring will already be attached to the filter cartridge. Set this into the dividing place so that the cartridge is suspended in the lower tank. Step 9. Place the small silicone washer on the stem of the ceramic filter and insert the filter into the receiving or top tank. Then attach the wing nut underneath the tank and tighten, not overly. Set the top tank onto the dividing plate. Step 10. Fill the top tank with water and put on the lid. Your system is now operational. Points to remember. The first couple of tanks will be slower to filter as the ceramic filter needs to soak in. It is recommended to discard the first 1 or 2 lots of water that come through the bottom tank until the taste is to your liking. The discarded water can be given to pets, they love the mineral taste, or put on the garden. The flow rate when the system is fully operational is 1 litre every half an hour. It is important not to put any water in the top tank if the bottom tank is already full. The system is not a sealed unit, so the water would have no option other than to leak out. If you have any queries or questions regarding the setup or operation of your system, please call us anytime on our toll-free number 1300 188 087. To your good health.